Hello, I'm going to look at two here. Okay, so I think anything will work with Nike except maybe watercolors, really. Watercolors are sort of old-fashioned looking, and there's nothing old-fashioned about Nike. They might have been made a long time ago, but they're always pushing forward. Maybe the vector illustration might be a better direction. But I think you have the right idea with the colors, like real strong energy and vibrant high contrast. Watercolor might be okay. I've yet to see any watercolors though that I think are really fantastic and full of energy and dynamic. All right, in contrast, so this could possibly be done for Sony. I was happy to see the logo on this one too. So these to me are a little bit sleepy. I think Sony is definitely another one of these high contrast, energetic, exciting companies. So perhaps a surreal collage with a lot of contrast would work. I thought this one I could definitely see as an ad for Sony. Just put Sony right there in the sky and you're done. These two I thought would also pop off the page in a Sony ad. So I think maybe perhaps I'm putting you next to Nike. I'm thinking high energy, but this one I like because you have a real pop of color in there. And some of these are fine. I think the Universe Light might really work. Verdana I would not do just because it's so common. It's on everybody's computer. And you probably got this blockhead on dafont.com or something like that. So keep looking. Maybe you can find a sans serif on there that is just a little bit different that would go with your concept. Anyway, both interesting ideas and sort of related. I look forward to your work being developed.